The other day, I had a really interesting conversation with my sister, and she said something that we've all heard quite often: suffering is optional. And I think that's really true. But first, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and the lead instructor for Kundalini yoga teacher training here at YogaVision. All the links are below, so please feel free to reach out if that's something that's calling for you. Now, back to our topic. Suffering is optional. Yeah, I totally agree. And I want to offer something here that expands this understanding just a little bit further. And this wisdom comes from the Buddhist tradition. And the idea here is that suffering comes from aversion or attachment. So aversion meaning, no, I don't want that thing. It's coming towards me. No, stop, forget, no. And that aversion puts us into a place of suffering. Why? Because we don't want it. It's inevitable, it's coming our way, but we don't want it. And so that creates a form of suffering that brings up a lot of emotions. And on the flip side of that is the idea of attachment. Maybe I've heard this a little bit more often, that we have attachments to people, to things, to places, and it's our attachments. I really want that. I'm grasping for it. That desire that I have can't be fulfilled, and I am really so upset and so attached to it. And those are the two places, according to the Buddhist tradition, of where suffering comes from. And so all in all, the median answer, so taking into consideration those two aspects, the median answer is to move towards the middle. In other words, I'm good without it, and I'm good with it. If I have it, great. And if I don't have it, that's great too. And together, that middle ground gives us lots of space to actually observe, why do we want something so much? Or why are we so repelled by something? And in that exploration, we get to find out so much more about who we are and how we are. I hope that was helpful for you. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and I love for you to pass this on to your friends and family if you found it helpful. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, lots of love.